wanted to go up on my shoe.
I mean, for them being in danger, there's 40,000 right there.
Yeah.
He's doing his thing. They love this stuff. I'm guessing you got more than one pair of pants on?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Well, they stink through your pants.
They could if they wanted to, but
Yeah.
I don't pinch them much with the pants. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The gloves are important because you got so many nooks and crannies and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I only took 2 stings on the hands, and that was only because it was only in crevices of my hand.
Yeah.
Because when they came down, I was still gripping that post. So by gripping that post, when they fell into the crack of my hand, and I kept gripping, their first reaction when they start getting squashed is sting.
Yeah, like I had a skirt on one time and it got stuck on my skirt and I went like that and it stung me right between my fingers.
Hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe.
Too close here?
What's that?
Are we?
Where did I go after that? Still there? No? That died. I wonder when that turned off. Oh! You girls are trying to help now. Perfect spot. I can reach that.
Man, you can hear him.
Everybody ready?
Yep.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, they smell like bananas. They're pissed.
Smells good.
A lot of them fell off that time. My phone when it comes to videos too bad.
Come here. There we go.
Oh my God, you can hear them. So loud.
Yeah, I can smell it now.
People driving by seeing him.
That's not all I'm off of me.
Can I get a video inside the bucket?
Yeah, in a second. Because they're fanning this bucket now, too. Let's see which one gets more
Can
popular.
you smell that?
You guys have scissors in the house.
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to go get them from there? Let me
Yeah, I
go.
got them.
Get your video.
Another couple minutes to roll down. Yeah, about to do it.
Oh, wait a minute.
I'm standing like right the fuck under it. These are all gonna end on being pissed. I can't see shit. Decisions. Where you at? There you are. Oh, I just got stung in the butt. Oh, don't step off the car. 1, 2.
We're just getting settled in and we keep having to move.
You don't think the queen's up there, do you?
No.
What?
You don't think the queen's up there, do you?
No, I just want the rest of these workers. I'll take as many of them as I can get, because they have to build a new home.
Oh, so you're just loosening them up so they can go down to the bucket.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Can't really wind up a good hit. That did a good one. There we go. Okay.
I got a crappy golf club downstairs. If I
Yeah.
could.
No joke. Okay. Done and down. This girl's doing right here. She keeps facing the hive, okay? Just like these girls all doing that handstand thing. And they're fanning her smell out into the world. There's a drone. I'm surprised he showed up. He's not supposed to be here. Come here. This is a drone. That's a male bee. He has no stinger. You want to hold him?
Yeah.
He has no stinger. He can still fly, but he has no stinger. Go ahead. Ah, he got away. He probably saw the commotion and went and smells the queen, so he's coming to look for. He's coming horny.
So they're the ones that mate with the queen.
Yep, the drones. These are all girls. Every bee you saw in that tree was a female.
Really?
Yeah.
So why are they following the bee?
Why are they following the queen?
Yeah.
That's their mom.
Ah.
She's the mother of every single one of them. The only difference between a queen and a worker bee is when the queens, when they laid an egg and they wanted to make a queen, they fed her extra. They fed her enough so that she developed fully functional ovaries, whereas the rest of the bees didn't get that treatment. So the queen bee is the only one with fully functional ovaries and she throws a pheromone that keeps their ovaries suppressed. And she left the hive to get bred once. Granted, she met up with anywhere between 10 and 30 drones on that one flight. She never leaves again unless she gets kicked out. Cool shit, huh?
Very. I can't wait to put them in a hive.
I know.
I hear buzzing in my ear. There's nothing in my hair, is there?
No, it'll be a high pitched.
But I love
Okay.
your bar.
Oh, thank you. I'm thinking I'm gonna go brush my hair later and realize there's a bee stuck in my hair.
Something else.
I think you'd feel it moving, probably.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're not too subtle when they get stuck in hair.
You still hear a lot of them up in the
I
tree.
hear a lot of them around me.
You're good.
You're fine. I don't see any.
Paranoia.
My pay.
It doesn't look like I'm gonna pick up any more of the workers, which sucks. But at the same time, I still got 97% of the bees.
Oh wow, look at them all on the screen down here, babe.
Now they're working.
Is that where the queen's at? Yep, that's where she's at. I knew I got her on the first
I'm
one.
glad you got the queen.
Yeah, I knew I got her on the first
That's
one.
what you wanted the most, right?
Yep. Yeah, she's right in there. So that's why all those girls are standing there with their butts in the air. In fact,
I can smell it from here.
yeah. Let me get them off of here. Don't stick to yourself. You bastard. Fuck it. Usually you hold that down. Just in case.
Are they gonna stay on the screen in the car?
You having the window down while we're driving?
I'll be alright.
Now what I'll do is I'll brush them off. Since this bucket's full already. Here. There's another drone. Alright, come here. See if you can tell which one's the drone. Remember, all the females are trying to tell everybody else where the queen is. The drone will just be wandering around like a dumbass, trying to get laid.
He's that bigger one on the outside right there. Yeah.
That's the drone. So see how all these girls,
that's right.
all these girls here are trying to help each other find the queen, and he's just wandering around horny.
Can I hold him now?
Yeah, where's he go?
Why won't he go against the other girls?
Because they're not able to be bred. They're not sterile. They're sterile.
Wait. I need my camera.
Okay.
My mom will never believe it.
I rolled his wing.
Oh,
Didn't do much good.
you have one on your pant leg on the front, so just be careful.
Here we go. See, nobody gets stung. Well done.
Right
well
by me.
done.
See that?
I saw that take place too.
Yeah, I
How did
didn't
you know
flinch.
the
I didn't
goal?
jump or nothing.
I just happened to look humane bee removal. I googled it, and
There are
it,
so many people that I've helped out.
it pulled up a list, and it started at like Adams County.
He was the first one.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do is just brush all these bees out so they're not riding shotgun, so to speak. I had a
Except they're
turkey
all
feather.
flying into the car.
I had a turkey feather with me, but I'm guessing it's probably in the back seat or something. Hey, you sneaky.
Cool.
There we go. No, no, you're still sneaky. Come on. There we go.
Oh, right by me. I'm being cool.
Okay, all right, baby.
So we got a few that are going to ride shotgun with us.
All right. That's fine.
It's getting dark. My phone's not focusing.
If it makes you feel better, the first time we used that bucket, we took a swarm that was 30 foot up a tree.
Oh, wow.
And my one beekeeping friend, she was learning how to do beekeeping, and she wanted to learn the all-natural way, and she did the same thing you did, and found me. So I told her, I said, you're lucky you called today. I have a swarm to go pick up after work. I could use some help. And she said, oh, I'll be there. I said, bring a suit. And she's like, I'll just come with my veil. I was like, do you have a full body suit? She said, yeah. I said, bring that. She said, why? I said, because this one's going to be a little weird. So we are